So we in this house have now tried the Keto Chow mystery flavor of 2023. Mystery flavor. So Keto Chow has done a mystery flavor last year, and they're repeating it again because it was such a smashing success last time. And the deal is everyone has to order it not knowing what flavor it is. So if you are really, really picky about Keto Chow flavors and you don't like them all, this is probably not the fun time for you. But if you like most flavors of Keto Chow and you love surprises, then this will be really fun for you. So the mystery flavor is on sale now, and you won't have any clues from the listing what flavor it is. It is a mystery. So starting now, you can go and order your mystery flavor. Also, the Black Friday deals are live. Keto Chow is doing 10% off site-wide with the coupon code Black Friday. And that even works on My Chow subscriptions. So take advantage of that. Also, you can get $10 store credit if you spend $100, $25 store credit if you spend $200, and $40 store credit if you spend $300. So if you're ready to stock up for the year, this is definitely the time to do that. If you are brand new to Keto Chow, there are a couple deals for people who are brand new, and it's on some of their like starter kits. So there's the custom starter kit, which is a brand new kit, I think. So that's pretty cool. And then the essential starter kit, you can get both of those for 56% off. And again, that's only for brand new customers. So now onto the taste test. My husband and a couple of the kids and I all tried the mystery flavor. And you'll see their, first reactions. And I will say my husband is a little bit picky with Keto Chow flavors. So keep that in mind when you see his reaction. He has never been one to sugarcoat things, pun intended. If I make something that he doesn't like, he lovingly lets me know. He doesn't just put on a happy face. So you can really trust his reviews. I will say that this flavor was absolutely delicious. It is, for me, in the top, at least the top 10, if not top 5 of all my all-time favorite flavors. It, I think, will appeal to a lot of people. There's certain flavors like chai latte and some other ones, maybe pina colada, things like that, where it's like people like it, but it's like a smaller group of people. They're very specific flavors. I think this mystery flavor is going to be a really loved flavor by a lot of people. I also wanted to mention that last year's mystery flavor turned out to be maple waffle. And that one is one of our top favorites. We did a taste test of like spiced flavored Keto Chows a few weeks ago, and that one was in the top. It was either the top 1 or top 2. I think we kind of pecan sticky bun and maple waffle tied for first almost, but it is fantastic. So it's not like they're taking some of the reject flavors and making them the mystery flavors. These are like legit good flavors that they use. So don't worry about that. So anyways, let's get on to the taste test. And then after that, if you're needing to stock up on Keto Chow, use my link down below. Head over to the website. The mystery flavor sold out last year before the flavor was announced. So if you're counting on waiting to find out exactly what flavor it is before you order, you're going to be probably out of luck. It probably will sell out. Now to the taste test. Okay, you're holding in your hand the mystery flavor of Keto Chow.
With a pink straw.
It's purple. So you can't give any hints about what flavor it is or what you think it is, because you don't even know what it is yet. I opened the package. You're just supposed to taste it and tell us if it's good or not. And if people should blindly order mystery flavor Keto Chow of 2023. A lot of pressure.
Yup.
So it's a yup.
Yup.
That's high praise.
Yup.
Did you want to try it, Levi?
Yes. It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
How many thumbs up?
10 and 100
10 and 100? Like 10 plus 100?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, Renee wants to taste.
I always try new flavors. Mom, is there another new flavor? I know I've tasted them.
You think you've tasted that same flavor?
I don't know what it is.
You don't know, but is it good?
Yeah.
How many thumbs up?
It's not one of my top favorites. It's probably like 4.
4. Okay.
I like it.
You like it? How many thumbs up?
6.
6 out of 10? Okay. That's not bad.
It's good.